Yeah. Okay. So, as we know that the population of Meghalaya has been growing, so may I know what is the total number of unemployed in the live register of employment exchange as on 31st March 2023?
So as I said, that exact number is not there with me, but as I said, the percentage,
I mean the number of unemployed in the live register of employment exchange.
so that number is not there with me.
So, one more question. So, I would like to know from the Honorable Chief Minister the total numbers of consultants appointed by the government and how many qualified engineers persons from the state have been appointed as consultants.
So this is a very detailed question. I will not have specific reply to the number of consultants employed, but a large number of individuals have been appointed from the state and consultants. A large number of engineers also are there who are appointed. The exact number is not available to me right now.
Sir, I didn't intend to ask question, but since you call out my name. Okay, sir. Sir, may I ask from the Honorable Chief Minister, out of the 5 lakhs, how many will be included in the organized sector and how many will be included in the unorganized sector, sir?
So this is the greatness of our assembly. Even those who don't want to ask questions have been given a chance to ask questions. Sir, of course, these are larger figures and overall figures. And just to give an idea to everybody how the breakup it looks like, so that they will get an idea on their own what will be the organized and the unorganized. So we're targeting that we should create in the agriculture and allied sectors, we are expected to create about 2.5 lakh job opportunities in the next 5 years, 4 years. Sir, in the different NRLM, which again has been a very, very successful model, you'll be happy to know, sir, that in the last 5 years, we have created 1 lakh job opportunities for women in the NRLM sector.